Last evening on 10th July 2023, the residents of Hyderabad witnessed this magnificent display of nature's artistry. People couldn't believe their eyes as a vibrant rainbow splash adorned the sky, and some get confused with northern lights, which is quite normal if you look at the similarities in their visual appearances. But are they actually northern lights or something else? We will see that in this episode of Astro News Digest. Welcome back to Cosmic Joyride, your ultimate source for celestial updates. Northern lights, also known as aurora borealis, are very unlikely to be seen in India due to the geographical location of our country. They mostly occur near the Earth's magnetic poles, primarily in high-latitude regions close to the Arctic Circle or in Northern Hemisphere, which includes countries like Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, etc., or occurs near the Antarctic Circle or in Southern Hemisphere. Even the namings are indifferent. If in the Northern Hemisphere called aurora borealis, if occurring in Southern Hemisphere called aurora australis. India, being situated closer to the equator, is far away from the polar region where the northern lights occur. The country's latitude is not conducive to witnessing this celestial phenomena. Then what exactly Hyderabad people have witnessed? Well, my friends, they are nothing but just some form of clouds. There are different layers of clouds exist in sky in different altitudes. At low altitudes, we'll find clouds like stratus and cumulus clouds. Just go a bit upward and meet the altostratus and altocumulus clouds. And top layer clouds are called the cirrostratus and cirrocumulus. Now, what people of Hyderabad see is a Pileus cloud, formed horizontally above a cumulus cloud. It is like a fluffy cap resting atop a majestic cloud tower. These lenticular clouds are usually short-lived as the primary cloud beneath them rises due to convection and eventually absorbs them. Now, just imagine making a cup of tea. You're boiling water in a kettle on your stove top, releasing steam into the air. As the steam rises, it encounters cooler air above, similar to when the moist air interacts with the updraft in the sky. Just like how the steam condenses into visible droplets on the surface of a cold mirror or glass, the moisture in the sky cools down and condenses, forming the mesmerizing Pileus clouds. And the most interesting part is that dazzling rainbow splash you witnessed above the Pileus cloud, isn't it? So that's the result of the sunlight interacting with water droplets or ice crystals present in the cloud. Just like a mesmerizing rainbow, the light gets diffracted and scattered, creating a breathtaking display of color. And that's the twist that baffled some onlookers. Some folks actually mistook this extraordinary sight for the northern lights. However, the important thing to remember here is that the northern lights are typically seen in high-latitude regions or near Earth's magnetic poles, while a Pileus cloud can appear in various locations and is not directly related to any auroral activity. Understanding the difference and educating yourself and others about this phenomena can help clear up any confusion and appreciate each phenomenon for its unique beauty. So don't forget to like and share this video with others, and to stay updated with more thrilling astronomical discoveries and educational videos, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Join us for the next episode of Astro News Digest, where we'll bring you more cosmic wonders and exciting breakthroughs. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep riding the waves of cosmic joy. This is Chiranjeevi signing off.